Hey, Danny here. So I just want to say congratulations. This is our early bird registration just today. So go ahead and fill up the information and then go ahead and secure your spot. It's going to be $40 off today. By tomorrow, it's back to normal pricing. All right. Now there's two options in here, right? You could either do our training in our studio. We do have a training fitness facility here in San Diego, and then one you can do it online. So when you do that, you're going to get an email. All right, pretty much an instruction of what you do, what you have to do next. Now the challenge starts on the 14th. Okay, so I will send you guys all the information that you need. But go ahead and sign up. I'm excited to see you and see you transform. Take care. Peace.